So go ahead and download the project from the Canvas page. And once you do, it's going to show up in your downloads folder, unzip it. And then the next step is to bring it over to your Unity projects folder. So that by default, either on a Mac or a PC, is going to be in the documents folder. So let's do this. So we'll take this, drag it over to the documents folder, and then put it into the folder called Unreal Projects. And then there it is. So it has a bunch of information in here, several folders with content, and you can either open the project here or you can do it from the Unreal Engine, but I'm just going to do it here since I'm here. Then Unreal Editor is going to open, and then it takes you to this generic level. So we're not going to be working on this, but let's first check to see if FMOD has actually properly integrated into the system. So we would go up to the Edit tab, either Mac or PC, it works the same. We want to edit project settings. Over here on the left side, there's a scroll menu that has everything about this project. And then if I scroll down to the bottom where it says plugins, if I did the integration right, I should have something called FMOD Studio. You could click on this and then it will give you basic information about the session. So if something is wrong, by the way, this will show up as red. It will tell you what's wrong. Don't freak out. It will say, hey, do you want me to fix this? I think something's wrong. And I've never had something that wasn't over my head in this, and I just go fix it, and then it works. This tells me that Unreal and FMOD are talking, but it doesn't mean that the plugin is actually in this game. To make that happen, I'm just going to open up FMOD. So I open up FMOD. It gives me this splash page at the beginning, and then I go to New Project. I want this to stay with my Unreal project, so I would go to File, and Save As, and then go to my Unreal Projects folder and my Documents folder, and then put it inside of this. It won't let you save it until you name it, so I am going to call this Infinity FMOD, maybe, as the tutorial shows. There it is. That is where our FMOD project is going to be. But remember, FMOD is actually a separate entity than Unreal. And so we need to have a place for it to put files within the Unreal structure as well. So what we would do is go to the preferences here. On Mac, you'd go to FMOD Studio and go to Preferences, and then go to Build, and go to Browse. Go back out to the project folder. So go into Content and then just create a folder called FMOD within here. Create. Open. We can close the Preferences window. Done with this.